Hello stock photographer, October is here and this means opportunity for photography, crispy air and many colors outside, outdoors. Just time to grab your camera and start walk outside. My name is Miro and welcome back in my channel, and I will talk about some opportunity during the October, and I will show you some my last work from previous year, because this year I don't start yet because the colors it's just coming to my area. I will really recommend shoot a lot in October, because maybe you will sell something this year. It's still a possibility, depends where you are living, and if no, definitely it's great opportunity for your portfolio and for bigger sale in next year, because buyers buy really ahead images like that. I already start myself from October images, like probably, if I'm correct, like end of July, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't want to lie to you, but this is the time when I see more sell like this. And right here you can see some idea what you can do it during the October. Definitely don't forget what I already talked about the outside, outdoors, and don't miss opportunity for beautiful landscape, rivers with reflection. Probably, definitely you keep on your list some details from leaves, and even some abstract composition. It's definitely great if you have something like that in your portfolio. I will recommend definitely use a polarizer filter. This will help you bring the colors a little bit stand out. And also use some people in your composition. If you don't have people around, no friends, no model, you can use yourself, because the images with people, it's always selling a little bit better. But I cannot prove that, because I'm selling even the images or video footage without anybody on the frame. October is also Halloween time in the United States. This means you can shoot some decoration for Halloween, or end of the October you can shoot the kids walking outside with a bucket, or you just can make some scene like that and use in your stock portfolio. Don't forget about the pumpkin, because it's a symbol of Halloween, and not just that, it's also symbol for Thanksgiving. If you have some recognizable people, don't forget about the model release. If you don't have model release, it's really much harder to sell the images. If you have model release, this can help you. October scream also cozy. Think about steaming mac with coffee or tea, about a warm blanket, or sitting next to fireplace, or just baking seasonal treats. This type of lifestyle is really good for bloggers and also for seasonal campaign. You don't need really any special lighting for some situation. Use just simple Windows lights, because it's really easy. If you have lights, it's better, but I think Windows light is really great for many situations. And don't forget about the warm tones during the editing. And if you don't have the people for the modeling, you can also use, how I said, yourself, but also you can use your hands holding something or doing something. This is definitely a good idea, because this type of images is always selling well. October, it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this means don't forget about some pink ribbon for symbolize these months. Also, you can shoot some yearly holiday preparation, because it's good time, and if you have images like that, you still can catch a sale for these holidays for the holidays in this year, I mean 2025. And when you are doing the keywording, don't forget about the keywords like autumn, cozy fall vibes, foliage. It really depends what is inside, but don't forget about some good keywording, because if you have the best images with the wrong keywording, definitely your images will not sell. But you know about that if you are not starting, but if you are just starting, really give the big attention to any keywords you are putting inside in your images. And I think it's everything for today. October is really great month. Just grab your camera, get inspired, and start shooting something, because October is not really long, and in November will be all the leaves from the tree almost down. This means less opportunity for colors, and everything start looking to gray and will be ready for winter months in nature. November, it's really tough, because if it's not snow, it's not color, this is really deep depression month, but we will talk about that later in other episodes. Let me just comment what you are planning to shoot, and thank you very much for watching. I will really appreciate any like and any new subscribers. And next episode will be about my September sales, and will be probably out during this week or beginning of next week. Thank you very much and have a wonderful October shooting.